Teamgate versus SugarCRM. If customization is your top priority, which one actually gives you more control? The answer isn't as simple as you might think, because while both CRMs offer flexibility, they take very different approaches. And if you don't pick the right one, you might end up frustrated with limitations you didn't expect. Stick around, because at the end, I'll share a much better alternative that gives you even more customization power with a free trial through our exclusive link. First up, Teamgate. It's a user-friendly CRM designed for small to mid-sized businesses, and its customization features focus on simplicity. You can tweak pipelines, create custom fields, and modify reports, but it's not as deep as some other CRMs. It's great if you want a plug-and-play solution with some level of customization, but if you're looking for extreme flexibility, you might hit a wall. SugarCRM, on the other hand, is heavily customizable, but with a catch. It's an open-source platform, meaning you can change almost everything, but it often requires technical knowledge. If you're not comfortable with coding or hiring developers, SugarCRM's flexibility might feel more like a burden than a benefit. Also, because of its enterprise-level focus, the pricing and complexity can be overkill for smaller teams. Another key difference, ease of use. Teamgate is built to be intuitive, meaning non-technical users can easily tweak their setup without breaking things. SugarCRM? Not so much. It's powerful but clunky, and you'll likely need some onboarding time before you can fully utilize its customization features. Then there's integrations. SugarCRM wins in terms of third-party connections, especially if you need deep integrations with ERP systems, marketing automation tools, or advanced analytics platforms. Teamgate has integrations too, but they're more limited. If you rely on very specific external tools, you might find it restrictive. Finally, let's talk cost. SugarCRM's flexibility comes with a hefty price tag, and the more customizations you need, the higher your costs will go, especially if you need developers. Teamgate, while not as customizable, is significantly more affordable and doesn't require as much ongoing maintenance. So, which one is best for customization? If you need deep, developer-level flexibility, SugarCRM is the way to go, but be prepared for a learning curve and higher costs. If you want something easier to manage with a reasonable level of customization, Teamgate is the better fit. But here's the thing, after testing all of these, I found an even better alternative that offers powerful customization without the complexity or high costs. If you want the best CRM for customization, check out the free trial in the first link below. Our viewers get exclusive benefits, so don't miss out.